Tuning in to howtoplaystock.com. My name is Kepley. Today is January 26, 2017, and in today's video I'm just going to cover silver once again. Now I'm going to put a link in this video that shows you the price tracking and what my predictions were back on December 22nd of 2016 for silver, because if you go back and you watch that video, I specifically drew out the pattern that you're seeing here on the chart, and I told you exactly where I thought silver was going to go, and I was proven 100% correct on that. If you're curious and want to see for yourself what I'm talking about, again, I'll put a link in the description here for that video, and I'll also put a call card in the video here as well. So, getting back to what I was saying though, with the pattern of silver. As of right now, if you look at the volume indicator, silver is going through a sell-off. And, you know, these pullbacks are needed, guys. They are needed when, you know, silver has a tear upwards. It's had a pretty good run just in the last, you know, month or so, as you can see from the chart here. And I'm looking at a daily chart. So you can see right now, I said it was gonna basically take a move upwards from its low around 1505. I said it was gonna shoot up to right around like the 1640 range, maybe a little bit higher, but it was needing to break this peak right here, where my cursor is. It was needing to break that peak in order to get a trend reversal. Okay, and what I mean by that is, if you look at the trend, all right, dating back, let's see here, to September, the trend was downwards. You see that, where my cursor is? Just follow my cursor. The trend is downwards. And I said that in that last video, I said that in order for the trend to reverse, it was going to have to break this peak here of 1631 on the lower low, and it did exactly that. And so going into the new year here with Donald Trump as president, I've said this several times, I can't emphasize it enough, I'm very bullish on silver. Most of the people that, you know, are professional day traders who knew something about silver know, you know, something about supply and demand and shortages and what Donald Trump wants to do with the military. If you're one of those people, then you know that silver is looking extremely bullish for 2017. And as I've said, when you get a tear up like this, or a strong move upwards, and you break a lower low, and you go into, you know, a new high, that is the beginning of a new bull run. It means that the trend has changed from down to up. Okay, so we're going into an uptrend here, but in order for that to happen, we need a pullback. And so right now what you're seeing is a pullback on silver. Okay, that doesn't mean it's going to keep going lower. The only way that would happen is if you know, the central banks decide to suppress it some more, which I don't think they're going to do this time, because you had Deutsche Bank get fined. On top of that, you know, there was 5 other major banks that were included in the manipulation of silver pricing, and so I don't think you're going to get that here in this scenario. Banks don't want to get fined, so I don't think they're going to suppress it. There's really no reason to. The price hasn't really taken off yet, which I think it's going to do. So just to give it a little bit of time here, I'm going to say that we could expect this pullback in silver to occur probably over the next few days. And if you follow my cursor here, look at the stochastics. Right now we were in overbought territory up in here, and as you can see, that's kind of where our peak was. And then now we're going down, so we need to get back into oversold territory, and I think that is going to take at least a couple of days. So my prediction here is that silver is going to continue dropping in price over the next couple of days. If you're somebody who's looking to maybe buy some silver, this would be a great opportunity to do so. and add to any position that you might have, especially if you can, hold out and just wait here until, I would say, probably Monday or Tuesday of next week, just to see where it ends up, because I have a feeling this thing's going to drop back down. If we look at a trend line here, I have a feeling it's going to drop back down this way, and once we hit oversold territory, I'm thinking the price should come back down to somewhere around like $15, maybe $15.15. And who knows, it might go a little bit lower than that, back into like $14.92. But when it shoots back up, I have a feeling it's going to shoot up higher than what it did here on this first run up of 1641. Because again, like I said, we're going into an uptrend, and when you get an uptrend, there's higher highs and higher lows. So that's all I have for this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because I have multiple playlists and videos that I've been shooting on investing and different topics. Silver is one of my favorite when it comes to investing, so I'll be shooting a lot of videos on silver, and just kind of tracking the price throughout time, kind of let you know what I'm doing as far as my investment on silver as well. But other than that, that's all I have for today. If you guys are already subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, let me know. Just leave some comments in the description here and let me know, what you would like me to cover. Because I know I've been doing a lot of videos on, stuff that I want to cover. But I know there's, several of you that are subscribed to me, and I think it would help myself and others if I can get some input from you guys, as far as like what kind of content you would like me to cover, because it just, it educates all of us in the process. So leave some comments in the description. Let me know what you would like me to cover in future videos, and I'll try to do that for you. Other than that, remember guys, income is the outcome, and these are today's investors' investing tips. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.